And the butterflies are just temporary, man. They're gonna go away, man. Just execute, man. Execute. Don't even think about it too much. Just think about one thing, man. Just one thing and just go, man. Execute, man. That's it.
Yeah, a mic check. Don't be a cam and waste your time with the bellet check. You waiting on the ring like it's fucking stimmy checks. And if I call, best believe that it ain't collect.
How do you want people to feel when they listen to Bob Frass?
That motherfucker can rap. And I feel like that's definitely, I know I can. So I feel like that's maybe the main thing to get out of it. That I can rap and a good vibe too, you know? But that I can rap, you know? Yeah. I'm definitely just gonna make it natural, and I'm ready. I'm definitely ready, and I'm gonna have my homeboy with me, my homeboy DJ with me, and I'm ready to rock and roll, man.
Let me speak you some real shit, something that you can feel. Yeah. Maybe you like karate, so maybe we can just kick it. I get it. My performance was really only inadequate. No, I can't seem to fathom it. Wrongly, we compatible shit. I check the message, this pain shit, lethal weapon. Danny Glover get too old for this. Going down just like Stockton. Trying not to get Locksmith. Lockpick, I'm the Locksmith. Scramble out of the pocket. Only got a few options, that's life though. I used to drink, leave with that Sprite.
I love hip hop. Grateful that that's a good place to express art, make something, do it your way. You know, find people that also do it your way and make music with them, and that's dope. That's the whole point of I feel like maybe living, doing something you love to do, you know. I'm ready, man. I'm ready. I've been ready since Monday, but we about to lock and load. I think we'll be like an hour out. Yeah, hour out. I'm ready. Locksmith, it's easy, man, easy. I love every single one of y'all. I appreciate which one support, and one love, man. It's gonna be fun.
Turn me up, nigga.
Could start an argument, addicted to the drama, so they both start arguing. The car starts to think, where the fuck you think you are going? Says she thinks she wants to break each other in the big mistake. He wants to take her back, but she just wants to run away.
Yo, my name Bobby Frass, that's my man DJ. Yo, I just want y'all to rock me for a little bit, alright?
Some Frass already, you know? He's just fucking up out here, you know? Start singing something, you know? Yeah, I'm fucking listening to that, you know? I mic check. Don't be a kid and waste your time with the bellet check. Waiting on the ring like it's fucking stimmy checks. And if I call, best believe that it can collect. So I'm back with that bowl, that's the fuck you best. And I'm gonna half a pound for the my offense. They say the raps is coming with, man, it's biases. I got a bunch of motherfuckers, I'm denying sis. I gotta blow up the spot just like ISIS. I gotta bury these clowns in case of crisis. News can catch you outside, they can spot you. So you brings a lunch meat, that's a fucking boss. Who's I hang with, man, it's vicious like some rocks. You mad at me, cause your girl eating a box. She tell me y'all side of a grilled lobster. Pay me out the vodka, oh, that's like your roster. I'm always shooting fox, that ain't true. If they meet like South or Swamp Monster. You say you know the man, they do the math though. Minus some fucking fun when shit you flash though. Knows the level of life with Super Smash Bros. I put the shrooms around, you get stuck though. Nothing but mad cappers and the mad hatters with small bladders. And see the homies get poppin', turning to straight facts. Yeah, and I can make my free throw, so don't shack attack it. I'm tired of motherfuckers worried about my cash flow. Make sure you do the right thing, just like Spike though. And me scared of X, that's the likely O. Or me tripping upstairs, now I'm not biting nose. I gotta know your pain, see you through the struggle. And I ain't trying to buzz, you know I can't hold you. If I could treat you like a G, I wish it I could fold you. If I could make a time machine, then I'll just make it for you.
Yeah.
But I'ma go get the bread though, weed whole grain, even though for a cow so fucking man, I'ma play so tiptoe in your ain't so fucking L on your front low, charge you 90%, you know, try to fuck on your cousin though. Wow!
Rock. Fucking on your cousin.
Going down, just stop it. Trying not to get Locksmith. I got the Locksmith. Scramble out of the pocket. Only got a few options, that's life, though. I used to dream living, that's right, though. Not my still. A 500 milligram of pill, what's the feel, though? I'm giving it all, feeling on, what's the drill, yo? 2 minutes left on the clock, I was on an ISO. I thought I was nice, so gotta come from the right, cook, bloody fresh from the big hook. I don't want to get you. I'm the first one like Westbrook. I don't need no more cross, so seen it all with my eyes, though. Feelings almost was cool, no suckers, we going 5-0. The script like Marshalls, pack it up for the cheese, though. Hard way below zero, but I was not for the hill, though. Got to let your soul so you can get on with the show. Ain't not even leprechauns can be digging for that much longer. But I'ma go get the back though. We gon' bring even though we're down some cold, then I'm gon' play some tiptoe with your hands on smoking. I'm on your front lawn, charging 90%, but I'm trying to fuck on your cousin though. Now I'm needing this true shit, boy, it's precious too much. I didn't keep the flip switch, break a war, and keep flips. No promise, it gon' count the kills, bitch, that's like though. I used to drink and lean with that Sprite, but I'm on still. I'm 100 milligram of pills, what's the feeling on? I'm giving it all, feeling off, what's the truth?
Hey, give it up for your boy